Silicon carbide is a kind of inorganic substance. Silicon carbide is the most widely used. The most economic one can be called gold steel sand or refractory sand. Silicon carbide fuel is easy to fire and transportation inconvenient. Usually through the silicon carbide press ball. Press silicon carbide into a ball, goose egg shape, square block. Silicon carbide ball pressing machine can dry to a certain extent of coal slime, coal ash, and other loose coal products, pressed coal coke, and a variety of carbon products directly smelting and application. At the same time can also be used to press sponge iron and various mineral powder forming. Silicon carbide ball press can be used to press silicon carbide, iron powder, briquette ball press, molding process points, cold pressing forming, and hot pressing forming, mainly cold pressing forming. Cold press forming is divided into binder forming and non-binder forming, two kinds, mainly with binder forming.